Let 4 of x equals 2 to the x power and g of x equals 8 times 2 to the x power. Why is g of x considered a horizontal translation of f of x? Okay, well, f of x looks like this, 2 to the x. Okay, now horizontal translations are supposed to be me adding or subtracting something to x here, but that's not what I have. Ooh, but I have an idea. Let's take g of x and turn 8 into 2 to the third power. So now I have 2 to the third power times 2 to the x. When multiplying terms of the same base, add the exponents. So this now becomes 2 to the 3 plus x, or x plus 3. So now that 3 is being added to x, this is me moving to the left 3, or you could say that it's a horizontal translation of -3. They want us to use the words because g of x is shifted 3 units to the left, so that's going to be my guy. That's how I'm going to answer it. And that's that problem. Fun.